morning students. Today grade 3rd subject social science, topic district administration. Today keywords administration, crime, flooded, responsible, revenue, sanitation, well-being. Again one time, administration, crime, flooded, responsible, revenue, sanitation and well-being. Today aim, identify the district administration. Most countries are also divided into a number of states. India is a large country with many states. Tamil Nadu is the 11th largest state in India. It's further divided into districts. What are districts? Districts are areas a state is divided into. Districts help the state to function properly. Districts are smaller than the state of Tamil Nadu is divided into 32 districts. In August 2019, the government of Tamil Nadu increased the number of districts from 32 to 37. It divided Vellore into Ranipat and Tirupattur, Tirunelveli into Tenkasi, Viluppuram into Kallakurichi and Kanchipuram into Sengalpattu. What jobs do the different officers do? Today see about district officers. District officers. A district collector takes care of the overall well-being of a district. A district medical officer takes care of the government hospitals in a district. A superintendent of police takes care of law and order in a district. A chief education officer takes care of government schools and education in a district. District forest officer takes care of the forest in a district. Why do we need district officers? We need district officers because they take care of the district, the hospitals, the government schools, the forest and law and order. They make sure that the district is functioning smoothly and people do not have to face any problems. How different do you think your life would be without these officers? Our lives would be very different without these officers because there would be no one in the district to help us and take care of us. What are the duties of district collector? The duties of a district collector are taking care of the whole district, being the head of the district, working with the superintendent of police to maintain law and order, helping people of the district during bad times such as floods and being the head of the revenue department. What are the duties of the police and the superintendent of police? The job of the police and the superintendent of police is to report to the district collector and maintain law and order in a district. They also catch thieves and help keep people, homes and districts safe. Thank you students. Watch the video. Black number 15. Do the worksheet.